Betrayal doesn't always come from hate. Sometimes it comes from confusion. Psychologists say people often cheat not because they've stopped loving their partner, but because they've lost connection with themselves. When someone feels emotionally unseen, unheard, or invisible in a relationship, they start searching for validation somewhere else. It's rarely about the other person being better. It's about filling an emotional void that was left unattended. But here's the painful truth. Cheating doesn't solve emptiness, it multiplies it. Because betrayal destroys the one thing every relationship depends on: trust. And once trust is broken, love alone can't fix it. Psychology teaches us that betrayal often begins in small moments. The unspoken resentment, the emotional distance, the conversations that never happened, and the silence that grew louder every day. If you've been betrayed, remember, it's not your fault. Someone chose dishonesty. Healing isn't about blaming them forever. It's about understanding what boundaries were ignored and rebuilding your sense of self-worth. And if you've been the one who betrayed, you must face the truth, not hide behind excuses. Accountability isn't weakness. It's the first step to change. In the end, betrayal shows you two things: who someone really is and who you must now become. Don't let betrayal harden you. Let it awaken you.